Greetings to you, my friends, colleagues and everyone who is interested in the massage art and everything connected with it. I'm really happy about the activity exhibited by you after our last video where I asked you if you wanted me to show the Thai massage techniques on a table or on mats like they traditionally do it in Thailand. Most of you voted for Thai massage techniques and tricks to be demonstrated on the table. I'm for it too, and today I'm going to do this. I request all of you to comment if you like today's video, this idea in whole, and if you want us to continue with this. We can show you all massages step by step, starting from legs, then continue with the body, and that will be right on the massage table. If you like all this, please write what you are interested in most of all. Maybe which part of a body, and we will show this in more detail. So, let's get down to work. I'd like to show you a very interesting technique to massage the biceps femoris or the posterior leg when we press it with our own lower leg and knee. What should we do in order to perform it right? If you work with a female client, you need to arrange everything so that she can feel free and relax her leg, giving you the opportunity to massage it. How to arrange this? First of all, wrap the leg with the sheet like this so that when the leg goes upwards or sidewards the most sensitive areas remain covered. But of course, it's up to you how to arrange this, but the main thing is that your client feels free. The next important thing is to avoid any complaints from your clients that you have worked the whole day in your clothes and now start touching their skin with your trousers. Some clients can become unhappy about this. To solve this issue, you can take a sheet, a towel or whatever you want, place it on your leg, work through this sheet or towel, and there will be no complaints. So now let me show you the technique itself. What do we need to do? We hold the foot, the heel bone, with your one hand and the knee with your other hand. Then we bend the leg at the knee and position the leg like this. Then we sit down on the massage table, lift the leg up, put the sheet or the towel here and support the client's leg by your leg. I will now remove the sheet so that you can clearly see how I'm going to do this. But remember, it is better to use some clean cloth. You hold the knee. Place your leg a bit above the popliteal region, don't press the popliteal region. Now be attentive. This hand holds the heel bone like this, and when you lean back, this point will be the point of pulling, so that the client's leg doesn't glide forward and backward. You need to gently hold the leg above the knee joint. After that, you place your knee strongly, and now watch carefully. You can work with the sharpest part of your knee. But if the client's muscles are cramped, you'd better use this part that is below the kneecap. So you use your lower leg, it is softer. And now you lean back and return. Again, lean back and return. If the client's muscles become softer and more elastic and the client doesn't feel pain, you can proceed and work with your knee, pressing the muscle like this. So, please, use this technique when you massage legs, and you will see that when you include in your massages some various movements from Thai massage therapy, for example, when you start applying some techniques for joints, all such things are always welcome by your clients. Because, firstly, these things are not boring, and secondly, there will be no situation when all your clients' muscles become numb. There will be no bed sores. It's a joke, of course, but still. At a certain moment your clients become tired and start tossing and turning, they come out of the relaxed condition and start feeling stressed. Do you really need such a situation? For example, you have given a part of a massage to a client and now, please, apply this technique from Thai massage therapy. It adds some variety to your massages, makes clients move, change their positions and get twisted. Your clients are not in the same position for a long time, their muscles don't become numb. Your massages become dynamic and your clients like them very much. So, be the best, apply this technique to add some variety. Love your profession and enjoy it. See you next time.